What is up guys, it is Cage here. Today I want to do a crypto coin analysis on the coin Floki. I was looking at the trending list and I saw Floki there and I thought by myself, okay, why would I not make a technical analysis on this? A lot of people are looking into Floki right now because it has been down so much lately and the price is low. So people are seeking opportunity with coins that are really low. So I'm here to clarify everything. I'm gonna look at every scenario possible for me to take trades on. Let's go over into the technical analysis and let's see what's up. Looking at the weekly chart, we had this little pullback before this massive expansion up. And what we did from there is we did not really break to new highs. We just started ranging. So zooming in at this range here, we have distributed in this range. That's why the red arrows are here. Those are market maker signals for me that market makers were involved in pushing Floki down. You can clearly see every retail trader that has shorted here, they are now taken out and the market makers have taken over their position to then push the price down. On the lower time frame, we started making new highs, and this was the place when the bulls stepped in to make new highs again. But that's when the bears also stepped in and we failed to make that higher high, so we made a new lower low. So this would be your market maker supply in the range. That's when price went back up there, and then once again these are market maker signals. You're SFPing your highs, you're trapping everyone that has shorted this coin. The market maker have taken over their position to then push the price down again. If you still don't know much about range trading, then definitely check out my crypto analysis, because I will do this a lot and I will do this over and over again because it works. So definitely check out my channel and subscribe. Okay, so the first possible scenario I want to sketch in here is we have this range, and often what you see is you have a little manipulation pool here. And of course, after the manipulation, you have the expansion. This is a power of 3, where the purpose of this whole range was to get a manipulation leg below it, so market makers can fill up their orders here to then start pushing up price. So this is one of the scenarios. Of course, we're not there yet, we're nowhere near. So let's zoom in on this local picture on what will have to happen for an order this PU3 to play out. Looking at the 3-day and daily, this would be clearly our low, our high, and our new lower low. So this would also mean if we cannot break this high right here, we can never reach further price action towards the upside. So this is the first objective for Floki, to actually start being bullish again. Putting this aside now, because we know the trend on the really high time frame is still bearish unless we can break this high. So let's look a bit more locally, because on the 12 hour we have another pull, another high, and this made us lower low. So this is also looking bearish. Even though yes, Floki has pumped a bit here, expectational order flow on the higher time frames is still looking bearish, and there's no sign of strength yet. We would have to break this high once again for an order to gain more upside. 12 hours bearish. Let's remove this. We know we have to gain this high for more upside. Looking at the 4 hour though, we had this low, this high, and we've made new lows from there. So on the 4 hour, we have actually broke structure. This would be your change of character. So this could mean in expectational order flow wise on the 4 hour, this is what caused you to new highs. Then we on the 4 hour time frame, we've actually made new highs again from this little part. So this would be our internal structure on the 4 hour. This would also mean if we can hold this low right here, we can expect more upsides, and we can expect price to try and break this high right here. So we can go for this higher time frame order flow objective. And after we've gained this, we can obviously go for this high time frame order flow objective. Don't just start chasing big moves. Really look at your technical analysis and make a plan. Don't follow the green candles, but wait for the market. Don't chase it. There's straight up a thing I really do not like about this coin, and that is we have this huge liquidity curve. And yes, retail people have been longing here, longing, and then we broke out above. That's correct. But you have to think it this way. If price doesn't hold this level right here, then what will happen? Then on the 4 hour, we've broke structure towards the downside again, And because we have juicy liquidity here, the market tends to move from liquidity to liquidity. So maybe the goal was to go towards this liquidity right here, to then reverse price and follow our expectational order flow again, which is this right here. A lower high for another lower low. So really be careful about this liquidity, because once we start on the liquidity right here, I do expect price to accelerate towards the downside. There's a bunch of stop losses here from over leveraged people, and price will get a move straight away there. Once we take out all of these people, then sure, we can try again. So there's already a lot of possibilities on Floki. I'm not here to tell you need to buy this, it's looking great, it has been pumping. No, I look objective at the charts to really make a trading plan for myself and actually make some profit in the market. Because just seeing some green candles doesn't mean you have to chase it. Wait for the market, make up your trading plan. And this is my trading plan on Floki on the local part. These are also all the situations I would be interested in taking longs. And yes, if you hold this level, you can move up. So what would I want to see right here? What I want to see is on the 1 hour, I want to see valid structure like this. And what I then want to see is a pull towards the upside. Because if our 4 hour market structure is pointing up and the 4 hour expectational order flow is this higher low for another higher high, you need to break internal structure, which I want to see on the 1 hour be created like this, a break above. And then this is your moment to place your order in, because then expectation order on the lower time frame is also confirmed, and then you can get that rotation towards the high again. This is your last pullback before you've started making new highs, just like this. So this would be my point of interest where I want to see that break of structure. Ignoring this bit messy part, let's start by zooming out again, because I do have a big demand zone right here, because this was the pull that brought you this massive expansion up. This would also be a point of interest in longing. So what could happen is we could start following this structure, tap into our demand, and then maybe start accumulating from here. And then we could possibly get that trend switch towards more expansion towards the upside. Once again, it's a scenario. There's nowhere near seeing it yet. Okay, I've analyzed everything I had to say about Floki. I hope you guys got some real insights on not to follow those green candles. Make up a plan, follow the plan, and just wait for the market to give you your confirmation. Also, this is not financial advice. These are my insights, and this is what I will be waiting for possible scenarios and trading possibilities. If you guys relate to me, then definitely subscribe and like the video. Also comment what coins you want to see next. Cage is out.